Okay, the next utility function that I want us to discuss is sum and also average. So let me select all from payment so we can see much clearer. For example, we have this table payment that has this column amount, and this column is a numeric data type, which means it's numbers. And we have here customer ID, which basically is a foreign key to our table customer. And here we have like some values that, let's say, this customer has, maybe purchased in our application. So what sum does? Sum is also an inbuilt function and will return the total sum of the values in that specific column. So for example, if we type here sum star we cannot put, because star is a whole row. We have to put a column. So for example, if I put sum amount, what this will do, it will add all those values from the sum from the amount column in our payment table, and will display this result. But let's say that we want to display all the sum of the amount for a specific user. To do that, let me go here, and we have this user customer ID. Let's say that we want to find out how much money does this user has spent in our application. So what this will do, it will add all those values and will display this as a result. For example, if we type here, we see we have 22 rows, and if we add all these values, we will get that result. And this is the sum function. Now the average function is, if you try to guess and you guess it correctly, will return the average amount, the average value of a specific column. So in our case, amount from payment, where customer ID is equal with 341, what this average will do, it will add all these values and will divide them by 22. So it will give us 471 blah 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 blah. So let me see if I can do divide by 22. You see here that I used the sum amount, which added all those values, and I divided by 22. You can do this operation, and this operation will give us a result. And you can see here is the same result as average. So average is basically the sum divided by the number of rows. So for example, if I put here count amount, you can see here that I get the same result. And that's all about sum and average for now.